G'day. So this is Jared from LearnBC. I've just got a demo environment here, and one of the Microsoft community has asked, how can you search using the Business Central mobile app? So first thing here in this environment, let's just go back to production here. Here we go. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the end here, tablet. And the whole environment's going to adapt for the tablet edition, and the same thing goes for phone. Now, I'm going to go into Developer Tools, More Tools, Developer Tools, and spin that into a mobile application, just in the browser, nice and simple. So the question here is, can you search? So I'm going to hit Customers on the tablet edition, and I've got search up the top here, and I can search customer additive. Okay, I can be searching here on the mobile app. I can go to customers and I can search School of Fine Art. Okay, as for, is there a global search that you have within the full Business Central? So let's just go back here. If you're referring to Tell Me, within Tell Me here, you've got the Microsoft Tell Me what to do. There is no function for this on those apps, but there is some cool search functions. So if you hit the hamburger here, we're going to scroll down and click Search in Data. I can turn around and type partial word, and I've just had come up, I've got contacts, customers, customer ledger entries, posted sale invoices, all appear for a partial word of school without the L. Okay, so can you search? Can you make it functional as a user? The answer, my answer to this is yes, but you shouldn't be required to turn around and search, use Tell Me from a mobile device. It should have predefined menus laid out, ready to go.